Hello everyone, this is Devasis and welcome to my class. Today we are going to study about a new chapter, that is conditional clause. So before going to start conditional clause, I am asking you one question. What is conditional clause and what is conditional? So conditional means what? Now when there is one condition, so that means what? Now conditional, one condition. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. That means what? That way I use that condition, that if you work hard, if you don't work hard, you won't pass the exam. So that means what? When there is one condition over there, we can use conditional over there. So let's know about that. There are four types of conditionals. Four types means what? Type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. There are four types of conditionals. In case of type 0 conditional, we have where this type 0 conditional is used. Now basically type 0 conditional is called also general conditions. So general conditions means where it is used in case of general truth, scientific truth, universal truth, law of nature and usual happenings. So that means what? In case of 0 type conditionals, so where we can use in case of general truth, scientific truth, universal truth and usual happenings also. And there also I have written here verb if clause and verb of main clause. So that means what? If clause if is simple present, so definitely verb main clause would be simple present also. If clause would be simple past, then main clause would be simple past also. That means what? I have written an example also. If you hit ice, it melts. That means what? If clause it is used, it is simple present, and also main clause also it is simple present, it is also simple present. So if clause and main clause, the both should be present simple. When both should be present simple, in case if clause would be present simple, then definitely main clause would be simple. If you hit ice, it melts. So in case of simple past, when if clause is simple past, definitely main clause would be simple past. Suppose I have given an example also. If it rained, I opened my umbrella. It's usual happenings, usual things. If it rained, I opened my umbrella. So that means what? If clause is simple past, so definitely main clause would be simple past. So this is why I have written an example. If it rained, I opened my umbrella. So then we will go to the type 1 condition. So type 1 conditional means what? This is open conditions or real conditions. That means what? In case of possibility or willingness or refusal. So that means what? If simple present, if clause is that simple present, so main clause would be simple future. If clause is simple future, then main clause would be simple future also. So that means what? If you work hard, you will pass the exam. That means what? Here it is simple present and you will pass the exam. It is called, this is called simple future. So in case of refusal or willingness, if you won't do this, I will do it for you. That means what? This is the case of willingness or refusal. When if it is present, past, future simple, this is also called, this will be also future simple. So in case of type 2 conditional, actually one type of conditionals when there is imaginary concepts over there. Imaginary concept means what? Suppose I am giving you an example also. If I were a bird, then I would fly in the sky. So that means what? I am just imaginary concept. This is my imaginary concept. I am just predicting that. I am just imagining that if that will be imagining that if I were a tiger, I would live in the forest. So this is why imaginary concept condition, unreal condition. So this is what type 2 conditionals. Like imaginary action over there. Imaginary action, in case of imaginary action, if clause would be simple past, so definitely the main clause would be modal in past plus V1 verb, first form of verb. So in case of that, we can make type 2 conditionals. Like if I were a tiger, I would live in a forest. That means what? This is past simple. This is simple past. If I were a tiger, I would live in the forest. So this is the past form of will. I would live in the forest. This is called type 2 conditionals. In case of type 3 conditionals, type 3 conditionals means what? Impossible conditions. Impossible condition means what? That action will not be happen in the future. This is called impossible conditions. So that means what? Unfulfilled action. That means the action will not be fulfilled again. If this will be past perfect, if clause would be past perfect, then that would be modal in past plus have plus V3. Also, I have written an example over here. If you had invited me, I would have attended your weddings. So that means what? That means what? He had not invited him. That is why he would not have attended his weddings. So this means what? So if you had invited me, you would have attended your weddings. That means this is past perfect, and this is modal plus verb of third form. Verb third past participle form. So this is whole about the conditional clause. There are 4 types of conditionals. Okay, so conditional means what? When there is one condition, so that means what? Conditional will be used. So thank you for today.